Hey, how's it going, guys? It's your boy YASHViR GAMiNG. Well, if you're new shy, guys, I would like to kill, murder, and smash that little subscribe button, and also to ring that bell notification, guys, because when I drop a brand new video, you can get notified. Okay. So without any further ado, guys, in this tutorial, I'm gonna explain to you and I'm gonna demonstrate how you can fix this problem for good. Okay. So say for example, for this, right, in Adobe Premiere Pro or Adobe After Effects, this happens. So when you import MOV file, okay, MOV videos, okay, like this, and it becomes like this. So where the hell is the video? I don't see the video. It's only an audio file. Alright, even if I drag and drop it right here, yeah, so it won't work. Alright, so basically, guys, I'm gonna show you how you're gonna fix this problem. Alright, so basically you'll have to download this Handbrake. Alright, just hit the download button. You will get this. Alright, just close this and hit open. Yes, next, install, and just wait. Create a new desktop on your shortcut. Double click this. If you get this, hit yes. Alright, .NET framework. This is very important to run this program. Alright, this is a .NET framework 6. Alright, so I'm gonna close and now just install this as well. Alright, so it's very simple and easy, guys. Just hit open, hit next, yes, and setup in progress. Just wait for this, and voila, this is done. So as you can see, installation was successful. Close this and now open Handbrake, and Handbrake will open. So here you'll be able to get on the source selection. You can open a single file video, or if you have multiple. But here, as you can see, was a video. So this is a MOV file. Okay, so just for the purpose of this video and testing, I'm just gonna drag this MOV file. If we do properties on it, you can see it's on MOV. Okay, so I'm just gonna drag and drop this here. Alright, scanning, please wait. And as you can see, this is a preview. So make sure the format you select, the formats that you selected, your output will be is MP4, not MKV, not WebM as well. Alright, YouTube accepts MP4 or MKV, but MP4 is what they use mostly. Alright, without any quality losses as well. So once this is done, you can choose 4K according to the video that you've recorded, and you can scroll down here. Alright, so there's a lot of things, so I'm just gonna click start encode. Alright, so once done, do nothing, or you can log off, shut down the computer, sleep, hibernate, lock system, log off as well. As you can see right now, guys, we are currently encoding. Alright, so you can choose the dimension, you can add all of these, the frame rate per second, FPS. I would like to keep it as 30 FPS because this was recorded via OBS. And if you do have a capture card recording 64K 60 frames per second, then you're gonna switch to 60 frames per second or more. Alright, but right now, as you can see, we're currently encoding the video. Okay, it's currently converting the MOV to MP4. Alright, so yes, you can click the preview button as well, so to show the crop. As you can see over there, I do nothing. Okay, so it will save as right here. It will save in here. Okay, it will save as this 0829 MOV.mp4. okay, so yeah, just wait for it. Alright, so as you can see, guys, it's nearly done. Okay, now it's done. Alright, so you can click this, browse, and there it is, has been saved as here. So I'm gonna drag and drop this onto my desktop, and now you can close Handbrake. You can delete this as well. This is the outdated source, and here we go. So this is a video, guys. Okay, so the video has been converted into MP4 really quickly and flawlessly. Okay, without any quality losses. Alright, now you can go and upload, you can edit the video now. So let's go. So I'm gonna drag and drop this right here, and now the video should now look something like this. Okay, and from here I'm gonna move it down here, drop media to create a sequence, and voila guys. So well, alright, so there you have it. Alright, so say you, after you've done all your editing, now on Adobe Premiere Pro you can press Ctrl M to export as MP4, which is this H.264, and just export the file. Alright, so yeah, if this video was helpful at any cost, alright, leave me a comment if this works for you, and make sure you subscribe, ring that bell notification guys. Peace.